It's time for plastic, graphics, and a final reveal. Plastic's back from paint. Steven over at Unique Paint and Body did a banger job on the plastic. We sent it over there to get it paint matched to the factory KRX door, and he added a little unique touch, added some green metallic flake to the paint, and boy does this pop in the sun. Looking forward to getting it installed on the machine, get the graphics on, and see what this bad boy looks like. Plastic's on, Troy's en route to get the graphics installed, and it's almost time for the full reveal. Phenom is finally buttoned up. Time to get it loaded on the trailer, headed down to River Run for a good old-fashioned beatdown. Stay tuned. See you, bye.